Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AI, specifically ChatGPT, in order to create custom avatars for your Instagram or TikTok accounts. You can use them as your profile picture on these accounts. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your ChatGPT on the browser, or you can also use ChatGPT mobile application. The process is same on both devices. Okay. After opening ChatGPT account, you just need to go over here and you have to add a reference image, like an image of your own for which you want an avatar. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this plus button and add photos and file so that I can add my custom I can create my custom avatar. So I'm going to select my photo just by this, and after that I will just write create. I'm going to give a prompt to a ChatGPT so that it can create an avatar for me. Create a cyberpunk avatar for me using a reference image for my Instagram account. Okay, now I will just hit the enter button and the AI will start doing its processing and will generate avatar images for me. Okay, let's ask it to make 3 to 4, make 3 to 4 different images. So let's hit the enter button. So now it will start processing and after that it will show us the result here. Let's wait for the results. So yes, finally we have got our avatar. So it looks something like this. We asked him for 3 to 4 different images, but it give us only one image. But it's okay. In the same way, you can create avatar for your TikTok account.